Got it.
Okay, it says we're live.
Nice.
Let's just check here. Hello, welcome.
Let's see
This
if I
is
can see it.
live.
Yep, I see it on my page
This is
too.
excellent. This is Andrew from Better System Trader and Jason from Against All Odds.
Nice, you
And
did it. Good
we're
job.
just and we're just doing a test live stream. And this is also going to be an announcement for a collaboration that Jason and I are doing. And the little joke about me saying against all odds was because in Australia, our index is called all odds. So maybe times when I say against all odds, I don't mean it. I mean against all odds. So I can see we've got some people showing up now already. What would be
Nice.
great, actually, for anyone who's watching, if you can just post a comment so we can check that the comments are working. And yeah, so what we're doing here is we're going to announce a new collaboration or show that Jason and I are putting on. Jason's going to explain it in a minute. And the name we've got is the Trading Panel. It's going to be a weekly show. Jason, do you want to explain a little bit about what the show is? And I'm going to do some
Yeah.
testing on my side.
Yeah. So the trading panel is just basically a trading panel. So very simple name, of course, because I'm a very simple person and simple names resonate with me. But just kind of looking at it, I've been going online for a while, and I've been seeing that there's a lot of these trading panels, and a lot of people are just up there talking their books, or they're basically talking like it's the news. And I thought it'd be really important to do something to talk about actual trading, because
Yep.
there's such a difference in being an analyst and a trader. An analyst is a person who goes out and their job is to write about trading. That doesn't mean they need to be right. That doesn't mean they have to be wrong. It's just their job is to sell you on products that are them writing. As a trader, our job is to make money. So we wanted to do this, bring on traders that are actually trading these markets, who actually have money in these markets, and start to do an actual panel of those types of people. So the idea is we're going to do anywhere from, it could be just me and Andrew. Who knows? I think it'll be more than that always, most likely. But
Yeah.
it'll most likely be around 5 people and possibly even up to 10 people. You said we could host 10 people, right? Total?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yep.
so possibly up to 10 people. So our idea is to bring a bunch of traders to you guys that you may have never heard of before, or that you know well, that have very famous names, or people that are just really good traders. Because the thing that's very interesting, and Andrew can also attest to this, is we've both seen so many traders that are some of the best traders in the world. And they have a following of like 100 people on Twitter.
Yeah.
I have friends in Europe that I've talked to for years, and they are amazing traders, and you would never even know it. Their Twitter page, they haven't posted on it in like 5 years. So there's a bunch of people out there, and so we're going to be bringing those guys to you guys.
Yeah. And the part I'm really excited about is having, I guess, different points of view. So, as I have on Better System Trader, and as you do on Against All Odds, we tend to have a certain type of trader, and I'm really excited to be talking to some of those types or maybe styles of traders that I usually wouldn't have on the show, and getting a different perspective. I think there's a lot of value in doing that type of thing. So I'm really excited to see what kind of guests we're going to have and the topics that we're going to discuss. So,
Yeah, I think a thing that's also important to talk about is you and I have been doing this for a while. And so that we're seeing tons of different people. We've known tons of different people across the board in trading, people who are really talented. And also we have a lot of people that we both interviewed, but we also have people that neither one of us have interviewed. And we
yep,
talked about this the other day. So we could possibly bring on a ton of very interesting people that each of our audience haven't seen. And I think that's going to be a really important part of this, which is one, bringing them together to have a conversation, because it's always fun to debate and talk about trading. But number two, it also will bring new people to you guys, new audiences that you guys haven't seen or worked with before or learned from. So, in general, I think this is going to be a lot of fun.
yep, yep, absolutely. So I've just been testing some comments in Twitter, and they're not coming up on the comments. So we'll have to look at that. But yeah, this is really excited to see how this goes. So a little bit more about the logistics of the trading panel. It's going to be at Friday, 4 p.m. Eastern time. So just as the market has closed, and it's going to be live streamed to YouTube, Twitter, and and YouTube and Twitter, and both to our channels. So if you like to follow Jason on the Against All Odds channels, you can go there, or Better System Trader for me. So I've got it right like 2 or 3 times now, Jason. How good?
Yeah,
is it?
I know you're doing
Practice.
great. But I mean, it's really going to be
Yeah.
fun. I really think this is going to be a lot of fun, and it's going to bring a very different aspect to people's trading, and I think that's cool. And yeah, I mean, some of the things we're going to have to figure out. It's going to take a second. So when we have something like comments, things like that, we're going to figure
Yep.
that stuff out. We'll probably figure it all out by Friday. That's why we're here today. So hopefully, guys, we'll see you soon. Definitely tune in on Friday, and we're going to have a bunch of great people for you guys. So you're also on Facebook as well too. So you got Facebook,
Yeah, that's right.
YouTube,
Yep.
Twitter. So between all of these things, you can catch it on any platform you'd like. If you guys want another platform, please let me know. I'm on all of them basically, so I can figure out that. And maybe even TikTok. I don't know if that's possible. TikTok's pretty crazy about stuff.
Yeah, we'll have a look at that. Yeah.
Yep.
Awesome. Well, any closing thoughts, Jason?
No, just excited to get this started. We've been talking about this for a little while because we kind of wanted to get this out and get a general idea of how we're going to do it. The planning stage is over. We'll see you guys on Friday, and we'll be bringing some traders for you guys to talk to.
Exactly. So Friday 4 p.m. Eastern Standard on Jason and I's channels. Catch you then.
All right.